Hello, and welcome to the Infomolt YouTube channel. Best car speakers for bass and sound quality. Every car nowadays comes with built-in speakers so that the car driver, as well as the passengers, can play music and enjoy their journey. The car manufacturers install a basic sound system in the car so that it can get the job done. However, such a basic sound system is not suitable for car owners who are very particular about sound quality. There are many car owners who prefer strong bass and superior sound quality. That is why there is a need to purchase external car speakers for bass and sound quality. When it comes to buying car speakers, there are several parameters you have to check so that you can purchase the perfect speaker that can deliver sound as per your requirements. You should check the following parameters when buying car speakers for bass and sound quality. Number 1, peak power. Number 2, frequency range. Number 3, cone material. The product links are in the description. Number 5. Kicker 43 DSC 6704 car speaker. The Kicker Fit. Kicker's DS Series 43 DSC 6704 6 and 3/4 speakers make a great replacement for the worn-out factory speakers in your vehicle. In addition to providing excellent sound, these kickers incorporate a zero protrusion tweeter into a low-profile speaker that'll fit in more vehicles than ever. Reliable, powerful sound. These 6 and 3/4 speakers will give you the kind of clarity you've never had with your factory speakers. The two-way design recreates a dynamic sound, dedicating the highs to the PEI balanced dome tweeter while sending the lower frequencies to the polypropylene woofer. They'll conjure hefty volume even from low-powered factory radios, so you can confidently pump your jams for years to come. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate P1675 car speakers. Punch 6.75-inch 3-way full-range speaker. The P1675 is a 6.75-inch 3-way full-range speaker rated at 60 watts RMS, designed for fanatics who need a quality factory replacement driver. Package includes 2 speakers with grills, integrated high-pass crossovers and mounting hardware. Fanatics that need a great sounding speaker to replace factory installed garbage will certainly benefit from this Punch series full range speaker. The P1675 offers a flex fit trademark basket to ensure compatibility with odd shaped factory speaker locations and an ICC integrated concealed crossover, eliminating the need to mount any black boxes. Number 3. CT Sounds BO 6-5 Cox car speakers. The CT Sounds BIO 6-5 Cox 6.5-inch 2-way coaxial car speakers are the perfect upgrade for your factory car speakers. Sold as a pair, the BIO 6.5-inch car coaxial speakers are extremely versatile and can run off your factory head unit, an aftermarket head unit, or a multi-channel amplifier. Named after the biosphere, the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere, these full-range 6.5 car audio speakers come closer to Earth, delivering a nicely balanced tonal range at a price that won't send you into space. The silk dome tweeter combined with the polypropylene woofer delivers sound that is rich and full with tight bass and mids. Don't just hear sound. Travel to the future and experience it. CT Sounds Car 6.5-inch speakers will take you on a sonic journey of rich mid-tones and crisp highs. Number 2. Boss Audio Systems CH6530 car speakers.
The features of Boss Audio CH6530 car speakers are: full-range 6.5-inch 3-way speaker pair, 300 watts max 150 watts RMS power handling per pair, 100 Hz to 18 kHz frequency response and 90 dB sensitivity. Poly-injection woofer cone and rubber surround. 1 tweeter and 1-inch polyamide dome midrange per speaker.
Number 1. Rockford Fosgate are 165x3 car speakers. Prime 6.50-inch 3-way full-range speaker. The R165X3 is a 6.50-inch 3-way full-range speaker rated at 45 watts RMS for a new generation of factory replacement speakers. Kit includes 2 speakers with grills, integrated high-pass crossovers and mounting hardware. The 6.50-inch prime full-range speakers offer Rockford Fosgate sound quality at a fantastic value. Perfect for replacing factory speakers, they feature polypropylene cones, a silk dome piezo tweeter and mid-range. Includes grills so they look as good as they sound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel.